Hot forecast for the next week or so because of the big high pressure area that we've been watching building over us. This is really going to heat us up. Actually, it will keep us roughly where we've been because yesterday, of course, we hit 101. Yesterday, we were very hot. Today looks similar, but in the next few days, it looks like the high might start to retreat to the west a little bit. Look at this, the entire state of Louisiana, plus a lot of other parts of other states under an excessive heat warning. That goes until 7 p.m. for the heat index up to 115. We're not quite seeing that just yet, but our temperature right now is at 95. That could easily be a really hot daytime high temperature, but we might have another 5 or so degrees to go. The feels like temperature is 107, so it actually could be a little bit higher. 107 is obviously less than 115. Temperatures right now are mostly in the middle 90s, and our feels like temperatures mostly getting toward about 110. I think Raceland is a bit high. That's definitely an outlier here, but other spots about 107, 108, 110. Looking at radar, very quiet on radar, and only a few isolated showers or storms are expected the rest of the day. Today, I actually have 101. We're running 1 degree hotter at the noon hour today than we were yesterday, and yesterday we touched 101. So could today we actually touch 102? It's possible. It's certainly on the table. Our chance of rain only about 20%. When you talk about the temperature at 101 for New Orleans, and we're talking about the Kenner Airport, the New Orleans International Airport in Kenner. That was yesterday's high. It's only happened 5 other times. The last time it happened was 2009. So if we do hit it again today, that would be the first time we've ever had 2 days in a row at 101. And also the all-time record high at the airport is 102 from August 22nd. 1980. We have a different number of 104 when you look at the Slidell Airport and at Audubon, but at the Kenner Airport, records going back to 1946 there. The hottest it's ever gotten there is 102 since 1946. Feels like temperatures today, of course, the big concern, feeling very hot and humid. Tonight looks mostly clear. It looks very muggy, of course, north of the lake, upper 70s, and south of the lake about 82. And we do have a full moon tonight, and the next full moon that we have will actually be in the month of August again. So when you have 2 full moons in one calendar month, the second one is the blue moon. So later this month, we have a blue moon coming up. It does happen every 2 to 3 years. I wanted to show you our precision cast today. Hardly anything. This is through 4 p.m. Boom, there's your 100-degree temperature. If not 100, all of our spots getting to upper 90s, it looks like. And then this is 8 p.m. We're still sweltering around 91, feeling like about 100 even after sunset. But something a little bit promising for tomorrow. Wouldn't get too excited about it. We could easily hit 100 again tomorrow like we've been forecasting, but this is 8 o'clock in the morning, and look at this. Our models, 2 of the models at least, want to bring in some showers and storms. Our high resolution model shows a similar forecast for tomorrow. So look at these temperatures. That might cut them off in the middle to maybe upper 90s, but we might actually not surge to triple digits tomorrow. It will still be hot. I still have us maybe up to about 98, 99, but if we get that rain in time, that could limit our temperatures a little bit. After that, we're looking for upper 90s through the end of the week. You saw that high not really moving all that much, still extending toward our area. And then for the weekend, I have highs still about 97. A lot of these days coming up, it will match or exceed the daily high record temperature for those days. Heat illness, really something you want to watch out for the next week or so. And we're not getting that cool at night either. So not a whole lot of relief getting into the overnight hours, although of course it is relatively cooler. Tropics, we're looking at that one wave. This one now a 0% chance of development. This one didn't quite make it. But this wave that we've been watching, this area of investigation, now has a lower chance of development. Just looks like it might not quite organize as it circles around to the north around that high pressure area. So not sure if that's going to become a depression or tropical storm Emily. Still a chance though, but no threats for us. For us, it is the heat. We will be dealing with it into the early part of next week at least.
Alex, thanks. We now know who will be performing at Gretna Fest. That lineup was announced